street corn lettuce wraps. I'm getting 2 pans because I'm making both the chicken in one pan and the crab in the other. We're gonna start with onion, 1 small red onion. In my case, I had to chop 2. And celery, 1 rib per pan with the leafy tops. And a little fresh thyme. So now we're gonna add our chilies. Again, working in the 2 pans, back and forth. If you are making the chicken, you're going to add the ground chicken to the pan once the veggies sweat. How do we get that going? Salt. And once they sweat out a little bit, we're gonna add some garlic to each pan, and I just grate it right down into the pan. And then we're going to brown and crumble chicken in one and add the crab to the other. To the crab, we're gonna add Old Bay. To the chicken, we added cumin. We sprinkled it across the top of the chicken. Little salt, pepper is up to you, but of course there's chili peppers going on in there. In both pans, we're going to add a splash of Worcestershire. We're gonna splash of hot sauce. I do a fat splash. Do whatever you want at your place. I dig it spicy at mine. And we're gonna add a little, I have a Modelo Especial, half a beer to each pan. Some lime. So I have 4 ears of corn. Each batch of your wraps should feed 6 to 8 people. Half the corn in each pan. And then, of course, we're going to top it with sauce. So we're going to take our Mexican crema or sour cream or mayo, if you prefer. That was not me. That gross sound came from the tube. We're going to add about, 3 tablespoons per cup if you want extra spicy, 2 tablespoons per cup, a little less, of chipotle paste. So I take the chipotle paste and I just brighten it with a little bit of lemon juice. And it helps thin out the crema a little bit. And I put it in a squirt bottle because it's just fun and easy at parties for people to put that on tacos or their lettuce wraps in this case. There you go. This is the street corn with a crab. That's the street corn with chicken already plated up, and these are for lettuce wraps. Hit it with some of your crema. Street corn style, right? And then we're gonna hit it with our crumbled cheese, Mexican cheese. I know. I always put extra cheese out if folks want it. I happen to like bacon on pretty much anything, so some bacon bits, baked bacon chopped up, a little cilantro, some green onion. For the lettuce wraps, I really love a gem romaine for these. They're like little baby tacos, you know? They're so cute. But, you know, bib lettuce, any sort of lettuce you like, or some charred tacos. I think this is a whole lot of fun. I hope you enjoy it.